This brief video will provide you with an overview of the process for submitting your Annual Financial Information Report, or AFIR, to the U.S. Census Bureau. All counties and municipalities in North Carolina are required to submit a report by October 31st of each year, and the submission is required by North Carolina General Statute 159-33.1. The Department of State Treasurer website contains instructions for completing the AFIR that you can print out and have on hand with contact information for the Census Bureau and Department of State Treasurer staff, report templates, and a link to the U.S. Census Bureau site. A template in both the current version of Excel as well as an Excel template in 1997 to 2003 version are available on the Department of State Treasurer website for your convenience. Note that the template in the current version of Excel is also available on the Census Bureau website, but if you need the template in the older version of Excel, it is only available here. To access the Census Bureau site, click on the link here. There are a few important things to note when attempting to log on to the Census Bureau site. First, there is one user ID assigned to a unit. To log on to the Census Bureau website, you must know your unit's user ID. Second, the Census Bureau website requires users to update their passwords frequently, so if you haven't logged in since last year, go ahead and click the Forgot Password link and reset your password before you begin. If you attempt to log in and you receive an invalid user ID or password message, click on the Forgot Password link. From here, you can enter your unit's user ID and email address and select Reset Password. An email message will be sent with instructions on updating the password. If you entered an email address that is not the email address the Census Bureau has on file for your unit, you will receive an error message and you will not be able to change the password. Please contact the Census Bureau if you need to update the email address for your unit. Remember, if you have any issues logging in, please contact the Census Bureau. Only they can help you update user IDs, email addresses, and passwords for their website. If you fail to receive assistance from them in a timely manner, please let us know, but remember that we cannot make any changes to user IDs, email addresses, or passwords. Once you've logged into the Census Bureau site, you'll see two steps. Step 1 allows you to download the Excel template, and Step 2 allows you to upload your completed report. To download the template, simply click on City Template to download the Excel template. Note that even though the title reads City Template, both cities and counties use this template. This is the same template available on the Department of State Treasurer website. Now that you've downloaded the template, it's time to complete your report. The template will open to the Verification tab. Using the drop-down arrow next to the yellow box in lines 4 and 5, select your unit name. If it is not on the list, please contact us. Complete the following worksheets in the template as applicable and do not delete any worksheets even if the requested information is not applicable to your unit, as doing so impacts processing of the form. And note that 3 worksheets provide detailed instructions on completing the template. Please see the instructions on our website for details on completing the form. Once all data has been entered, return to the Verification tab to resolve any errors and complete the verification section. These 4 sections are used for verification and will display any errors in your report. The first, second, and fourth verification boxes should be blank if there are no errors, and the third box will contain the gross salary amount entered in the Miscellaneous tab. If any errors are found, a message will be displayed in column G. If errors are noted, please return to the form and correct them before submitting your report. The report cannot be uploaded if any errors are present. See complete instructions on our website for details on error resolution. Finally, remember to complete the verification section, including the name and contact information of the person submitting the AFIR. The report cannot be uploaded if this data is missing. Once you've saved the completed report, it can be uploaded on the Census Bureau website. To upload your completed report, return to the Census Bureau website, log in, and proceed to Step 2. Use the Browse button to select the file, then click Upload to upload it to the Census Bureau website. If you need to submit a corrected current year report or an AFIR from a previous year, please contact us. Neither of these reports should be submitted through the Census Bureau site. If you need any assistance with downloading the template or completing your report, please contact Department of State Treasurer staff. For assistance with user IDs and passwords for the Census Bureau website, please contact Census Bureau staff. And remember, the Department of State Treasurer website contains instructions that we encourage you to print out and reference for assistance with the AFIR. The instructions also include a page of telephone numbers and email addresses for Census Bureau and Department of State Treasurer staff should you need any assistance. One last thing. While you're on our website, be sure to check out 2 new features. The feedback form provides a way for you to submit feedback on the AFIR process or any other processes that we support. Tell us what's working well or what we can do to continue to improve our processes for you. The LGC staff blog provides regular posts on deadlines, news, and announcements important to units of local government and their auditors. Visit the blog for the latest news and sign up to receive email notifications whenever new content is posted. Thanks for watching.